Nicolò Linux oder Windows, taking infos.
Hello and welcome to my video. Today we will be discussing the topic of GPT4ALL. Most of you are probably familiar with ChatGPT. GPT4ALL takes a different approach. The services of ChatGPT are hosted on servers running on the internet, meaning the data you input in the prompt is sent to these servers, where it is analyzed and processed, and after that you will receive your response. If you prefer not to send your data over the internet, you can also install a local chatbot or artificial intelligence. This is the approach of GPT4ALL. Today we will look at how to install GPT4ALL on Debian. The first thing you need to do is to visit the GPT4ALL website. On the site you will find a button labeled Ubuntu installer at the bottom. Click on it to download a file with the extension .run. We will now execute this file in the terminal. So I now will open the terminal and navigate to the downloads folder where this file is located. To look whether the file is there or not, we will be searching for the file ending *.run. As you can see, GPT4ALL installer linux.run is situated in the downloads folder. To make the script executable, we use the command sudo chmod +x followed by the name of the script. After that you enter the password of your user and this should make this file executable. To verify, we can check if the file is highlighted in green, indicating it is executable. Next we will start the file by running /GPT4ALL-installer-linux.run. A graphical installer will open. Proceed with the installation steps, which include reading and accepting the license agreement and selecting the installation directory. The system will then download and install several files, which can take some time depending on the speed of your internet connection. After the installation, we might encounter an error regarding the creation of a desktop shortcut. This happens because the desktop in the German version of KDE is labeled Schreibtisch instead of desktop. We can ignore this error and close the installer. We now have to create our desktop shortcut. To create the shortcut for the GPT4ALL client on the desktop, right-click and select Create New. Link to application, name it for example GPT4ALL. And in the program section navigate to the directory where GPT4ALL was installed, usually under your home directory in the folder named GPT4ALL/bin. Select the chat executable. You can also choose an icon for the shortcut. Once done, you should see the desktop shortcut and clicking it will launch GPT4ALL. The next step is to install a language model if one is not already installed. You can download a language model by clicking Download Models and selecting a model to install. Ensure that the model's RAM required do not exceed your system's available RAM. For example, you might choose a model like Mistral, which requires 4.34 GB of RAM. After downloading, you can select the model from the drop-down menu in the GPT4ALL client. You can now start interacting with the locally installed AI, type hello or any other text and you will receive a response. If needed, you can ask the AI to respond in German or any other language. That concludes the installation of GPT4ALL on Debian. As I demonstrated, you can use the Ubuntu installer. I believe this is a good alternative to online AI platforms because it runs locally. If you are interested, definitely check it out. So that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day or evening. Until next time.